So if you're currently shopping for a high-end robot vacuum and mop to take over your floors, you have almost certainly run into one of these two brands, because right now ECOVACS and Dreame are basically dominating the conversation when it comes to automation. On one side, you have the Dreame L40s Ultra, which is a spec sheet monster that a lot of people point to as a standard configuration for a premium flagship. And on the other side, you have the brand new ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI, which is completely shaking up the market by bringing some massive next generation upgrades to the table. Price-wise, these two are actually floating in a very similar bracket right now, with the T90 Pro currently sitting at just a little bit more expensive than the Dreame. So we are going to throw them in a head-to-head comparison to see which one you should actually buy, where the real trade-offs are, and which machine actually respects your hard-earned cash. Now, before we dig in, this video is sponsored by ECOVACS, but we are going to do a fair comparison between the two vacuums. All right, so let's start with the pure raw vacuuming power, because on paper, this looks like a complete mismatch. The Dreame L40s is putting out a very respectable 19,000 pascals of suction power, which is more than enough to handle standard dust and surface crumbs on a hard floor. But the ECOVACS T90 Pro OMNI steps into the ring with a chart-topping 30,000 pascals of blast suction power. This is nearly double what the Dreame machine is pulling, and of course, these max pascals of power are when you put the vacuums into the max setting, which does make them louder around the house. But basically here, the Dreame is going to be fine for daily maintenance, but when it comes to drawing deep set sand or pet hair dander out of a base of a thicker rug, then the 30,000 pascal motor on the ECOVACS is going to take the win. Now, both of these machines do have a hair tangling solution, but the ZeroTangle 4.0 system on the ECOVACS uses a straight through duct design that actually pulls the hair directly into the bin before it can even wrap, whereas the Dreame can still require a bit of manual maintenance on the roller edges if you have heavy shedding animals like my cat and dog. Now let's talk about the mopping physics, because this is where the core engineering philosophies of these two robots completely diverge, and it's the biggest decision you have to make before actually buying one of these. The Dreame L40s uses a traditional dual spinning mop pads on the back, and look, they work really fine for a nice daily light refresh across your floors. But the issue with the flat pads is that once they hit a sticky kitchen spill, they actually get saturated with that dirty water within 10 minutes, and then for the rest of the clean, they're just basically dampening and smearing that residue across the rest of your house. The really cool thing about the ECOVACS T90 Pro is that it uses the OZMO Roller 3.0, which is a 27 centimeter high density microfiber roller that spins at 200 rotations per minute, and it features a continuous fresh flow system that sprays clean water onto the roller, while an internal scraper constantly squeezes the dirty water. So basically, this thing is automatically cleaning itself as it's going around your house, all while applying about 10 newtons of actual downward force for scrubbing your hardwood floor. So that means that dried on coffee and grease spills and all that is going to come off much more easily. So basically, the T90 Pro is actually scrubbing, meanwhile the Dreame is actually just wiping. Now, both of these brands do tackle the problem of edge cleaning and baseboards, but they both approach it in a different way. The Dreame L40s features a dual flex arm system, meaning it physically swings one of its spinning pads outside to try to hug the wall and reach under cabinet toe kicks, which is actually really cool. And then the ECOVACS uses the True Edge 3.0, which is a stepless air cushion mechanical extension that pushes the actual mopping roller up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the chassis, and then it uses a 3D structured light edge sensor to glide seamlessly with basically zero distance along your baseboards. It's really cool to see both of these in action when they do that, because it's just so cool to see how many moving parts are on these machines. But since the ECOVACS is a roller instead of a swinging disc, you don't get those little tiny missed gaps in the corners when the robot transitions its angles. So in this case, the ECOVACS is kind of a little bit better in this case. Now, if you have a mixed floor home with a lot of rugs scattered across your home, so you are going to need a robot that doesn't drag a soaking wet mop across your clean carpets. So when the Dreame L40s detects a carpet, it actually lifts those spinning pads up by 10.5 millimeters to try and clear the fibers of the carpet without touching them. And the ECOVACS T90 Pro lifts the entire roller assembly up by 15 millimeters into the body of the machine. So just quite a bit more than the actual Dreame machine. So basically, if you have low pile rugs, then the Dreame machine is going to be completely fine. But if you have a thicker, plusher carpet, then that extra clearance on the ECOVACS is going to ensure that the wet microfiber stays completely isolated from the rug. Now, in terms of these navigating and avoiding obstacles, let's talk about how they are kind of thinking as they go around your home. The Dreame L40s uses a standard lidar combined with basic AI and a structured light system to build its layouts around your home, and it handles thresholds up to 4 centimeters, which is actually really good. Then the ECOVACS T90 Pro uses an embedded mini TOF lidar system paired with a Vision AI 3D structured light. So it actually does read the obstacles significantly faster, and it maps out rooms in just a couple of minutes on day one. It can also detect and route around object clearances down to 2.4 centimeters, meaning that it spots smaller items like stray toys or dropped cables that the Dreame can occasionally overlook and actually bump into. And you can see these when they're actually moving around. But it's worth noting that the Dreame does handle slightly higher physical threshold libs at 4 centimeters compared to the ECOVACS's True Pass system, which is really optimized around standard transitions. So if you have incredibly uneven floor steps between rooms, keep that in mind. So if you need clearance height, I would say the Dreame here. And then if you need precision avoidance and actually kind of having the vacuum not bump into things at your home at all, really, then the ECOVACS really does take the cake here. Both machines integrate perfectly with Alexa and Google Assistant, and they both let you control everything from the smartphone app. The only real differentiator here is that the ECOVACS has its own native AI voice assistant built right into the hardware. It's called Agent Jico, and basically you can just be in your home and say, "Hi Jico, clean the kitchen," and your robot is just gonna literally go and clean the kitchen. And one really cool thing that I actually really like as well from the T90 Pro is that it has a built-in two-way video calling feature, so you can actually use the camera on the robot to patrol your home, check in on your pets when you're away, and you can even drive the robot around just like a little remote control camera and talk through the speakers of the robot, which is just really cool, and you don't get that on the Dreame. Both of these, of course, have a base station, and they both work really well. They both have 75 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing to melt down the oils and grease on the mops, followed by some hot air drying to keep everything dry. The Dreame system overall can have more capacity for water and dirty water, but that also means that you're carrying larger tanks that are heavier. So if that matters, worth noting the pros and cons there. It's also worth noting that on the battery side, the Dreame has a 6400 milliamp hour battery versus the ECOVACS's 5200 milliamp hour battery. But they both actually end up getting a similar runtime of about 200 minutes. The important thing here is that the ECOVACS station is GaN-based power boost charging, so that means it actually recharges intelligently mid-clean during its short mop wash cycles, which pulls in a quick 10% top off in just 3 minutes, so it can actually finish a massive layout or home without making you wait hours for the full cycle to actually complete. And that's just really nice to have in case you do have a larger home and you don't want the vacuum to have to go charge for a long time and then come back. So here's where everything kind of lands for me. Both the Dreame L40s Ultra and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI are fantastic. They are both great automated machines, and they are overall priced pretty closely in that mid-range landscape. Even with the slightly more expensive price of the ECOVACS T90 Pro, you are still getting the extra raw suction power of 30,000 pascals, the self-washing roller mop, which the design is better if you're wanting something that mops around your home. If not, then the Dreame does make sense. But you also get that 50mm carpet clearance lift just so that you don't actually get your carpets dirty with the mops. And of course, you're getting one of my favorite features, which is that two-way video calling and also the voice control so that you don't have to pull out the app. I'll leave the product links down below in the description so you can see the updated pricing details for both machines. And thanks for watching this video.